If you are tired of your old clothes, just introduce one or two of these new trends and you will see that you will be able to inject a modern twist to your old outfits. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all really well. A timeless wardrobe does not have to be about repeating yourself all over again. It's about being able to reinterpret your classics with a new and fresh found inspiration. In each season, we need to kind of update our wardrobe and give it a refreshing modern twist. And fall is the ultimate chic season. Colors are really demure. We have the caramels, the browns, the greens, the reds, the all-time favorite neutrals. So it's a very creative season. Okay, how can we inject a modern twist to our classic wardrobe? First things first, you need to identify the key items, and these includes clothes, accessories and complements, and then choose one, two or more to integrate to your wardrobe according to your preferences. That's what I did for you, a list with the major 5 key fashion trends for this fall and winter, so that you have them together, making it easier for you to choose the ones you like the most. Of course, you don't have to incorporate them all unless you really want to. Let's then start with fashion trend number 1 and one of also my favorites, midi skirts. While in spring and summer we mostly saw circle skirts, this season we are seeing more of the A-line shapes, pencil skirts or even wrap skirts. And when it comes to pencil skirts, the slit of the skirt has moved to the front. And also we are seeing a lot of skirts that have both front and back slits. Nonetheless, if your skirt has a back slit, you can also make it more modern. Let's see how. Pair a pencil skirt that I'm sure you all have in the back of your closet with any old sweater you also have and finish with a new and modern touch given by the slouchy bag. And this way you'll get an outfit with a new inspiration. As you see, we are styling 2 old pieces, the pencil skirt and the knit, but we have introduced 2 new modern elements, the new slouchy bag design and the new uneven rounded boots. And this will instantly update your whole outfit. Another design that is a classic, and again I'm sure you already have them in your wardrobe, is a satin midi skirt, right? The outfit on the left is not bad or wrong by no means, but it looks outdated, style like we always did. However, the same skirt can be part of a modern outfit as we are seeing on the right of the screen. Swap the top and blazer for a slightly oversized knitted jumper and wear a belt in a contrasting color on top. Another way is styling a satin midi skirt with a cropped leather jacket. I'm wearing my black leather jacket over a navy wool fitted sweater and navy satin midi skirt. I opted for black boots and bag to tie with my jacket. Navy is a classic color, but is now having a spotlight moment this fall and winter, and it looks amazing with black. Also, as you are wearing an all navy base layer, you will look instantly taller and slender. And if you are like me and love to wear skirts and also want to incorporate a new design into your wardrobe, the wrap skirt is really on trend and it can be in leather, in wool and in cotton. I just love this design. I think it's incredibly flattering on the women's body and very waistline forgiving, so to speak. If you opt for a wrap skirt in cotton, like I did, go for those with these new utility details. like large pockets, belts in the same fabrics, or buckles. Mine is from Mango. It's made in 100% cotton. It's a really structured, good fabric, perfect for this transitional season. And I can style this skirt with a knitted sweater, either with slingbacks for these in-between seasons, and then with knee-high boots also. Fashion trend number 2, we are talking now about these new designs in shoes and in bags. Shoes and accessories in general are a great way to bring some novelty to our outfits, and this fall and winter we are seeing some new shoe designs. These uneven rounded toes like these Zara boots, sharp pointed toes, and also square toe shoes. So there's almost a shape for everyone's taste. We saw a lot of kitten heels, block heels, and the comeback of the high heel, which is not my favorite. Injecting these new shapes will make your jeans and sweater outfit instantly rejuvenated. You can also fold the hem of your jeans to show more of your boots. These are a loose design pair of denim jeans, and showing the boots fitted at ankles will make your silhouette slender, as you are showing the thinnest part of your legs. Another way is investing in a bag in a new design. You can be wearing the most classic outfit with pieces you already own for many years, like a tailored suit of trousers and blazer. Now, don't grab your old bag. Wear instead a new design, and you will feel that your old suit is still fresh after so many years. And that's the beauty of having high quality basics, staples. They just need a small push to become updated. And this leads us to fashion trend number 3, which is arch tapered denim jeans. Wait, I know that this is not everybody's cup of tea, but if you are a fan of denim jeans like I am, you need to know that these slightly balloon fit, like these arch legs, are really on trend this season. You can choose the color you want. You have half whites, blacks, grays, browns. From the spring and summer collection, I already own these off-white ones. I just love the design. They are incredibly flattering and comfortable as well. You should definitely try them out. I'm sure you will love them. Let me know after, okay? Fashion trend number 4, belts. This is probably the easiest and cheapest way to try a new trend. Overcoats and jackets as a way to cinch oversized outerwear, like belting an oversized blazer at the waist, adds structure and definition to your silhouette. You can also match the belt to other accessories in the outfit, coordinate its color and texture with your boots or your handbag to tie the outfit together. A dark brown belt paired with a dark brown bag, both in suede, creates a sleek, cohesive ensemble. You can also belt your knitwear pieces. A belt can transform a loose, chunky knit sweater, a cardigan, and even a knitted dress into a more flattering, feminine outfit. By cinching your waist, it adds definition without sacrificing coziness. Choose a wide statement belt to make a bold impact, or a thin leather belt for a more refined, minimalist look. You can also layer belts over big wool scarves. This is one fun trend. Just drape a long, chunky scarf around your neck and secure it with a belt at your waistline, giving the illusion of a vest or a layered look, and even of a cape. This technique not only adds warmth, but also texture and style to your outfits. And last but not least, we are talking colors. Colors are really, really important in our outfits. I don't know about you, but I just love color. And these season fashion color trends emphasize a mix of rich, earthy tones and bold and vibrant shades. The first one being burgundy. Burgundy, deep red, cherry red, a deep, rich wine red is a key color this season. It's a versatile color that adds elegance to both casual and formal outfits. Gray is also emerging as a dominant color for fall and winter, especially in power suits and outerwear. From light stone to deep charcoal, this neutral tone is ideal for creating minimalist yet sophisticated outfits. Pastel colors that were often associated with spring are making a surprise appearance in fall and winter collections. We are seeing soft shades of lilac, blush pinks, and mint green. They can add a fresh, whimsical touch to our winter outfits. And this mint green, I just love, 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 love this color. On the other hand, we have the all times earthy tones like browns, caramels, tans, and camels. They are dominating the color palette and they reflect a grounded, natural feel. So these colors are perfect for cozy knitwear, leather jackets, and structured wool coats. Green, we have to mention green, especially forest green and olive green are really on trend this season. Green gives your outfits a nature-inspired and calming vibe. These hues are perfect for creating those cozy autumnal looks. And finally, rich shades of blue, particularly light blue, this vintage blue, and also deep navy blue and indigo. They are really prominent in these fall and winter collections, offering a classic, versatile option to black. Now, I'm sure you all have some pieces in your wardrobe in these beautiful colors. Grab them and start to wear them. And this is the list of my favorite fashion trends for this fall and winter. Of course, there's much more, but these are the ones I love the most and the ones that I'm incorporating into my wardrobe to give it a fresh look. If you are tired of your old clothes, just introduce one or two of these new trends and you will see that you will be able to inject a modern twist to your old outfits. Now tell me, which one of these fashion trends is your favorite? I read you in comments as always. I really hope the outfits I did today can be helpful. You can make screenshots of the outfits and use them for your own inspiration to create your own outfits with your own pieces. Again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please press the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already for more videos like these. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!